Next, if you haven't done so already, download the Plotly Workshop folder at the link below and save it onto your desktop. Inside here should be a distribution of resources. You can see the universityreduced.csv file. This is the dataset we'll be working with, and it includes the name of each university as well as a few columns that we'll be visualizing. The other columns include the average SAT to get into the school, the median earnings of graduates, and the percentage of white students. We will be looking for relationships between these variables. The commands.txt file is where commands are stored for actually running the code. We will be working with the Plotly workshop.py file. If at any point you are stuck with a set of commands, using the Plotly workshop complete.py file can help, as it contains all of the commands. Now I'm going to navigate to Atom, my text editor, and open the Plotly workshop.py file by browsing. This is the file we'll be working with for the duration of the video. Now that setup is complete, in the next video we will go over what these imports mean and how to use the credentials we retrieved in the previous video.